Welcome back to another video, guys. And in this video, it's going to be part one of showing like how we got this old car. It's a 65 Plymouth Barracuda, and it was my grandfather's. He bought it from someone, but he wanted us to come and get it. So we got it, and this is just part one of the video of us restoring it. All right, so we're about to put it on the trailer. We're here. It's a 65 Plymouth Barracuda. We're gonna try to get the tires aired up. So let's go. It's coming up good. Alright, so we put it on the trailer, and we have arrived home, and it's on the trailer. We're gonna be posting a lot of these on a YouTube playlist, and I don't know for sure if we'll put it as pressure washing it in this one or not, but yeah. Alrighty, so it is the next day, so it's still here, of course, but have the pressure washer. We're about to pressure wash it, and we'll get some of that on video. So. Oh.